today is a 1977 Kenmore window air conditioner made by Whirlpool. As you can see, the front of it's a little beat up. You know, we got some broken pieces here, missing the door. It is a little dirty now because it's been sitting outside for a few days. I did just clean this out like a few weeks ago, and now it's disgusting. So there you go. Here's the cord on it. It's got a pretty nice plug to it. It's in good condition. It's the top of the line model. It's got the 3 power saver, 3 constant. Like all Whirlpool air conditioners, thermostat is not functional in the way that it's out of range, so it doesn't click. It's actually kind of stuck in the cooling mode. Not that it would click today, you know, it's about 90 degrees, but it never clicks off. We got side panels. This side it's a little busted. This side they work. It's got the Whirlpool sticker there. Careful that air conditioner does not fall out of the window. Seeger reciprocating compressor in this this air conditioner. It doesn't sound like a typical reciprocating compressor. I don't know really how to describe it. You'll hear it when it turns on. Just straightened the fins, cleaned it out, did everything with it. This one really isn't mint like the other one I filmed, the newer Kenmore. I gotta re-glue that fiberglass back in place. That's starting to come off. Metal fan on the condenser side and the evaporator. We got metal fans. Let's see if I can keep those cover off of here. Aluminum coil. You can't really see the fan. There's the metal data plate. Kind of find it funny how they label it there. For Kenmore Cold Spot, the model number and serial number. Just the way they word that, I've never seen that on a appliance before. Anyway, that's the model number and serial if you want to look that up. 21.5 ounces R22. I was gonna recharge this unit, but it turned out it didn't really need to be recharged. Last time I ran it, it was doing some weird shit, and I just let it sit and run for a couple hours, and it sort of, I guess you could say, ironed itself out, so it's in working condition now. Let's see if I can put that back. Got the louvers, adjustable, all that. So I will be back in a second, plug it in, we'll turn it on, and give you a run. Alright, she is plugged in, she is ready to go. I will put a filter in there. I got like a gazillion filters, I bought them in bulk, so I will put one in, I promise you. There's a lot of crap in there now. Got vent control, if I didn't mention that. Anyway, we'll put you by the compressor so you can hear it come on. You could see what I mean by it's not the typical sounding reciprocating compressor. That's really cool. On a day like today, you don't really want to run them on low when it's this hot. You want to get as much heat rejection out of there as possible with the fan running on high. But for the purpose of this video, running in a few minutes, we should be fine. Compressor's quiet. Already getting nice heat coming off the condenser there. I don't have my tool bag on me, so I'm not gonna do the temperature for you guys, but it's blowing cold already. Got a little ways to go still. She does take a little while. No difference for constant, other than power saver just cycles the fan. Cold. Got a little ways to go on the bottom yet. It's a 6,000 BTU if I didn't mention that earlier. I know I have another front grill like this lying around somewhere. See if I can find it, because this one, you know, it's kind of in pretty bad shape. It's working good. Do one last walk around for y'all. There you have it, 1977 6,000 BTU Kenmore by Whirlpool. Yeah, you still can't see that fan. Metal fans. And that's about it. As always, thank you all for watching, and hope you have a good one, because it sure is a nice day here.